Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Kiefer Hogue, and today I want to break down my top 5 ways to make money online or from home. Number 1. So this one I'm a huge fan of. This is what I do personally. Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA has taken people literally from $5,000 to generating millions in revenue. Whoa, isn't that nuts? 2. Retail arbitrage. See, the cool thing about retail arbitrage, if you're unfamiliar with it, you could do this on Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Craigslist. So what retail arbitrage is you go buy something from the store and resell it for a higher profit. Now the cool thing with Amazon is you can walk around, scan it, boop, and boom, it tells you all the different prices that different listings have. Then you just buy the whole freaking shelf, put it in your cart, send it in Amazon FBA. Just make sure you know your numbers. You can do the same on going to garage sales and getting things for $1 and flipping it for 20 bucks. Anybody can do it. 3. Affiliate marketing. So this, you're not actually handling physical products. As affiliate marketing could be a course. Or if you're on the online space, if you use things like Jungle Scout for your Amazon FBA or Shopify, you can share these links and get a commission just by someone signing up. That's how affiliate marketing works. And as well, guys, guess what? Amazon lets you do affiliate marketing too. You don't have to buy the products and send them in. You can just advertise for that product. Someone buys it, you get a 15% commission, sometimes higher, sometimes lower. Number 4. Now this one, I've done a lot of studying about, and if you're really good at it, I'd say wholesale real estate. Guys, best part about this one is you don't need a license. Sometimes you don't even need money to start. You find a house that's not listed on the market. You have them sign a contract saying you'll buy the house for a certain price, and then you sell that contract to a cash buyer, somebody who already wants that house but didn't know about it, and they're gonna pay you the difference. Essentially what happens is I get a contract on this house for $140,000, but they wanted $160,000. I take it, I go tell the guy that has the cash, says, I have a contract at $160,000, he pays $160,000, I get $20,000, home buyer gets his cash, everybody's happy. 5. Maybe some of these other ones I mentioned are a little bit too much for beginners, maybe it's a little too difficult. So there's an easy one I totally recommend you to start, especially if you just want to build a little bit of income, maybe you have a little bit of time or good at something. On Fiverr, you can use your skills to help people from all around, utilizing small tasks that they don't want to handle. And those are my top 5 things to do in 2021. Thank you.